In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best camping chair. So let's get started. Number 7. ALPS Mountaineering. The ALPS Mountaineering King Kong chair is a premium inward folding chair with cushioned seating for a more comfortable experience. It provides ample storage space in its side pocket and comes with a convenient shoulder carrying bag. The King Kong is lightweight at 13 pounds, so it's very portable. Despite being lightweight, it's rated to hold up to 800 pounds in weight. The armrests are adjustable and feature cup holders. This chair is designed for rugged conditions and fits in perfectly at both a campsite or in your backyard. However, the chair can be a little uncomfortable for people over 6 feet tall. The seat is a little low and may require some tweaking to accommodate tall people. Number 6. Coleman Portable Camping. The Coleman Camping Quad Chair is a simple and budget-friendly inward-folding camping chair that is perfect for camping, weekend league games, or last-minute seating at a backyard barbecue. Since it's one of the lightest camp chairs at just 7.69 pounds, this is an ideal option if you plan to be on the move while you're camping. It can support up to 325 pounds of weight. The insulated fork and cooler keeps drinks cool and within easy reach. You'll also enjoy the padded seat for added comfort. Number 5. Core Equipment Folding. The Core Equipment Folding Camp Chair features a number of amenities that will upgrade your camping experience. The lightweight steel frame makes it easy to get up and go. The chair has a roomy gear pocket for easy access to essentials such as your phone or sunglasses. It also features a built-in oversized cup holder. The steel frame is lightweight yet strong and can support up to 300 pounds. The chair comes with a carry bag and carry strap for easy transport and storage. While the frame is sturdy, the connections between the tubing can be weak, leading to a chair that breaks prematurely. A few customers report ripping of the padded portion of the chair after minimal use. Number 4. Kajaro Dual Lock Portable. For the price, the Kajaro Dual Lock Portable Camping and Sports Chair is one of our favorites for use around a campsite. There's nothing fancy about it, but it's well made and locks into a top position that's firm and comfortable to sit in, far superior to cheap camp chairs that sag and bow. The dual lock seat also sits a full 19 inches off the ground, which makes it comfortably high for both tall and average-sized adults. The dual lock is really long when it's folded up, and it isn't super lightweight, but it does have convenient shoulder straps on both the chair and the case for easy transport. If you're fed up with uncomfortable, inexpensive chairs that break easily, we highly recommend upgrading to the dual lock, which is often on sale and will last for years of use. Number 3. Amazon Basics Portable. If you're looking for an affordable option, the Amazon Basics camping chair is a sound choice. The Amazon Basics chair is simple but unique due to its insulated cooler pocket that keeps up to 3 beverages and ice conveniently close at hand. It also has a single cup holder and a large pocket to hold a book, phone, or other small items. This chair comes in 3 style options, including a padded XL version that will comfortably accommodate a variety of body shapes. While the 2 padded models are generally a bit more comfortable, the mesh version is a bit more breathable/quick drying. Number 2. Big Agnes Inc. Big Agnes is known as the mother of comfort, and the Skyline UL chair certainly lives up to that reputation. This chair is the most supportive of all the compact chairs we tested, and it sits at a more comfortable height. It could even be used on short backpacking trips, making it a great value for the money. If lugging around a large camp chair doesn't appeal to you, the Skyline UL is a great alternative. Number 1. GCI Outdoor Freestyle. The GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Chair stands out for its comfort and durability. The rocking motion is a nice feature for those who like to move and sway, though the struts can get a bit squeaky over time. For those that hate the way some camping chairs are too saggy, causing the body to slump, the top seat and back of the Freestyle rocker may be just the firm support you've been looking for. The Freestyle rocker is fairly bulky even when packed down, and it's also a bit heavy, which could make it a challenge to carry or pack into smaller cars. But for those who aren't too concerned with portability, the Freestyle Rocker is a very good choice for around the campfire or in the yard, and is sure to last for years of use if treated with care.